Hi, my name is Mohammad Azrie bin Rodi. My metric number is BA24160800, and today I would like to presenting my individual video response. In our discussion, we share different ideas about the main idea of the story. My group member Kimi and Bengon said the story is about greed and betrayal and how a person can choose money instead of being loyal to their country. I agree with them, but for me, the main idea is more about careful thinking and observation. I mentioned that Sherlock Holmes solved the case by noticing very small detail and using logic. This story makes me feel impressed because it shows how intelligence can solve a big problem. So let's move out to the topic story. The story is about missing submarine planes and the death of a clerk on a train track. At first, I found the story difficult to understand, but because there were many details about trains and secret documents. However, after our discussion, I could understand the story better. When Holmes explained everything at the end, the story became more clear. So, let's go on to the proof and example. One example from the story is when Holmes find out that the secret documents were replaced with useless paper. This shows how greed can make people careless. Another example is how Holmes used small clues such as the train detail and the position of the body to solve the case. This proves that small details are important. About the structure, I think the story is well organized. It has a clear beginning, middle, and ending. Even though the middle part is a bit slow, it helps us understand Holmes' thinking the process. Last but not least, what I have learned and what I recommendation from the story, I learned that small detail can solve big problems. I will recommend this story because it is short, interesting, and teaches us logical thinking. Thank you.